Hello techies, we are in lab 6.6.7 and we're going to secure the default account. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You are improving office computers security by renaming and disabling default computer account. So in this lab, your task is to perform the following on the Office One computer. You're going to rename the administrator account Yoda, disable the guest account, verify the password never expires, is not selected for any local users. This forces them to change their password regularly. Delete any user account with user must change password at next login selected. This indicates that a user has never logged in. Okay, so this is pretty much straightforward. This is lab 6.6.7. Let's start up right away. So in case this video appears to be too fast for you, I apologize. You can always pause the video and work at your own pace. So the trick is to match every move I make, every step I take in this video. Alright, so let's start up. So we'll go to search and type in computer management. So we open computer management and we collapse local users and groups and select users. So we're going to rename the administrator account to Yoda. Okay, so administrator account now will be renamed to Yoda. So right click and type and select rename, then we type in Yoda. And let's go to properties for guests, and we're going to select account is disabled. Click OK and go to Suzanne. Right click on it, go to properties and account. Oh, let's see. No. Okay, let's go to Sam. Right click, go to properties. Oh, we're going to delete rather. Okay, so let's go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. You can share on other platforms like Facebook and other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.